Broadband.Money is a next generation, all inclusive platform for service providers and leaders who want to create winning broadband grant applications and bring better broadband to local communities. Our geospatial platform presents essential insights from all 50 states, the District of Columbia, and the U.S. territories. It provides you with the comprehensive data you need to help you get your share of broadband grants. Broadband Money's map combines and presents more than 200 public and proprietary data sources from official datasets. These include the American Community Survey data, Homeland Infrastructure Foundation level data, and the National Address Database. You can rely on these data sets and more to present a well-rounded and accurate application. Here are some additional data layers our mapping platform provides: network facilities and infrastructure, key demographics, broadband performance, and environmental factors. The data team at Broadband.Money ensures that the number of meaningful data sources is constantly growing and relevant, and that it is accurate and up to date. States and portal users can customize their views by adding their own unique datasets. You can use Broadband Money's geospatial platform to research specific areas of interest and gather comprehensive evidence to build a holistic broadband grant application. Start off by exploring your potential areas of interest. Selecting a census block reveals key insights on broadband performance, local competition, and key demographics. Get the lay of the land. Break down key demand points across categories in a single census block. Each block displays total road miles, land area, and the number of households and housing units. Help identify digital equity and inclusion needs with socio-demographic data such as poverty, income, and education levels. Compare performance data, including latency and packet loss, across different sources, such as FCC 477 data, MLab and Ookla speed test data, as well as other sources. View historical data to better track and understand how performance has changed over time. See what other local providers reportedly serve in the area. Do they provide fiber or wireless services? Do they serve both residential and commercial users? What are their starting plan costs and their maximum advertised upload and download speeds? Our maps include all of this information and more. Get key details on whether the census block has been allocated grants from other programs, such as the Rural Digital Opportunity Fund and the Connect America Fund, by clicking on the Funding tab. Alongside the bidder name, tier, and latency, see if any awards have defaulted. If so, these areas are now eligible for BEAD or other federal, state, or local grant programs. To easily pinpoint areas of unserved and underserved communities, filter by attributes such as the 477 data or Ready Strength Rank that analyzes existing data via the platform's algorithms. You can also use this data to get a clear picture of the locations you should be prepared to challenge as unserved or underserved. To identify key stakeholders, local coordination is an essential component when it comes to broadband grant applications like BEAD. Use our geospatial platform to easily identify key stakeholders for collaboration. Filter to see if your area of interest falls within tribal boundaries. Turn on the Rural Electric Cooperative layer to see the service boundaries and contact information of local electric co-ops. Identify community anchor institutions and local businesses in your area, such as public schools, libraries, hospitals, community support organizations, and faith based organizations, such as churches, synagogues, and mosques. View existing network infrastructure, such as the official FCC tower layer, or upload your own wireless and or fiber network assets to the portal. When you're ready, you can create and tag areas of interest to get even more detailed insights and business intelligence analyses. To create an area, simply upload a shapefile if you have one prepared, or for large county level project areas, easily select one from our library of county shapefiles. For maximum flexibility, use the freehand draw tool to outline the exact boundary of your project area. When you're done, click into your newly created project area for an overall analysis, such as the breakdown of unserved and underserved housing units. In the Yield on Cost tab, input your take rate, revenue, cost per mile, cost per drop, and operating margin to get a rough estimate of the economics and grant needs of your target areas before conducting detailed engineering or financial modeling. In the Analysis tab, easily aggregate, compare, and contrast multiple project areas. Gain a deeper understanding of your project areas with more detailed metrics, such as current provider coverage and the breakdown of demand points by performance rank. Attach specific project areas to your application model to automatically generate grant application answers. As you continue to research your areas of interest, get a head start on building your application model. Start by filling out your profile, which creates a general baseline profile that will be used across the various broadband grant programs. Once your profile is ready, start building your application model for programs like BEAD and Middle Mile. Get an in-depth walkthrough of each grant program, including important guides and resources you can refer to as you step through the application. From a single interface, answer questions with the help of detailed instructions, tips, and templates written by industry experts. Invite collaborators, such as consultants, community partners, investors, and other stakeholders to work on building out your application model. Source matching funds and letters of credit from multiple capital providers in a single process. Unlike prior broadband grant programs, you're required to submit funding proof with your grant applications, so we recommend you get going right away. When it's time to file, you can review and submit your application to one or more agencies with confidence that everyone is on the same page. Grant program winners can also easily comply with ongoing monitoring, reporting, and performance management requirements with Broadband.Money's outage and subscriber management system. Deliver prospective and current subscribers a seamless experience with a subscriber portal that handles billing, payment, and plan management with ease. Communities in need can easily sign up for the Affordable Connectivity Program's credit, which provides up to $75 per household per month through Turnkey ACP. BEAD funding is tied to the concept of the number of broadband serviceable locations and network performance, so it's crucial that local government leaders and broadband advocates have a precise understanding of the connectivity needs of their communities. Broadband.Money provides local leaders like mayors, county executives, broadband community champions, and service providers the tools to conduct a comprehensive broadband audit of your community. Gather real-time performance and qualitative survey data from your communities. Generate statistically sound analysis and reports that accurately ascertain an area's actual broadband needs and help determine where the grant funding should flow. As part of the broadband audit, launch your own customized, branded instance of the Broadband Measurement Kit, a site which conducts multiple performance tests alongside a qualitative survey to get the ground reality of community broadband needs. Before starting, test takers are prompted to make sure their testing environment adheres to guidelines written by trusted industry experts. While the suite of performance tests run, test takers are prompted to answer survey questions that help them get a better understanding of broadband availability and need outside of the performance measurements. The Community Broadband Measurement Kit compares results across different kinds of tests and reminds test takers to retake the test multiple times for better accuracy. Using Broadband.Money's built-in distribution tools, community administrators can easily and efficiently encourage communities to take the test. As the results come in, gain a real-time, holistic understanding of your community's level of need for broadband grants. The Community Broadband Audit lets you gather and submit defensible, transparent data so that your community gets connected, whether you're establishing eligibility or defending your proposal in a challenge process. For access to broadband grant resources, tools, and events, join the Broadband.Money community. Stay up to date on the latest news, read detailed guides on key documents like the BEAD and middle mile notices of funding opportunities, and attend specialized office hours with our experts and participate in Ask Me Anything conversations with key industry representatives, national policymakers, national advocates, and thought leaders. For more information, please see us at Broadband.Money. Please enroll at Broadband.Money. Please join our community at Broadband.Money.